Well, hello, it's Dexter and me with a very, 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 very short video today, a couple of minutes only. No vlog, just want to draw your attention to my blog, which I've been putting up for about, well, nearly 6 years now. Recently, I've just published, or it's in the middle of publishing, a crash course on landscape photography with some helpful tips and tricks, if you like, to get your best landscape shots. I'm not saying it's a landscape photography Bible, but it's the way I work. I'll put a link to it in the description below, but you might also like to check out my blog anyway. I post on there a lot more frequently than these videos. There's a post every Monday with one of my latest photos, and there's also a post on Thursday with some of my irreverent thoughts, if you like. Anyway, as I said, I'll pop a link in the description below and have a look, see if you like it. The landscape course started on Tuesday, so it's the third day today. It's running until this Sunday, but obviously it's going to be there forever anyway. Have a look at it, see if you like it. It's completely free of charge, of course. Yeah, that's it for this week. We will be along very shortly with another landscape photography vlog. We're in the middle of making one, and we're quite excited about that, with a bit more production involved this time, and a proper microphone. So yeah, keep an eye out for that, and Dexter and I will see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.